But the singing tea kettle is starting to exercise its voice a little bit. It's getting into a near boil. Still drawing 1700 watts, 1400. It's hard to say what, I don't know if you should try to average those numbers when they're going by. But on my little watch here, I'm keeping track, and we're at about 18 minutes. I doubt you can, it's pretty, this is the only bad thing about this watch is that it's not a bright enough screen for daylight. Otherwise, I really like it. It's a exercise watch. You can go for a walk or whatever, and I'm going to do that. And then it'll give you stats on how fast you walked and stuff, how much energy used. So I'm getting set up for washing, and I bought a new pump for water. Oh, I got to get the battery. This had some residual water in it when I packed it in this hefty bag. See if I can get this thing dried out, which I don't think it would hurt anything, but it's either came from this pump or like one of these hoses. So I think I might have solved that problem. I think if you take and you blow in this one, I think it is, let's see. Yeah, that one will blow it out. And then I'll try the same thing with these hoses, is to blow all the residual water in there. Well, the official time is going to be when it sings, so I don't even have to sit and watch. I can hear it. Anyway, so I'm going to get this set up, and then it's got a nice little holder that you can clamp onto. I'm going to clamp it onto this water bag right on here. Maybe if I set this tripod down, I can show you. That might work right there. Yeah, okay. Well, I should go get the power pack for it. Where did I put that? I'll be right back. Hopefully I can find it. I can't remember. Yeah, it's not a... What would I have done with it? I remember. I might have set it in my car console. Well, I'll look in the car. Bring that up. Oh, she's starting to go. We'll do this first. Well, you can see it's boiling, and it's 21 minutes 33 seconds. We'll see what the full boil comes to too. That's probably where your highest actual water temp is at a full boil. Oh, 21:45. Full pitch at 22 minutes. Oh, 22 and 5 seconds. Oh, good. Whoop. That camera moved. Oh, it must be getting some heat wave coming at you. Okay, so I'm going to shut that off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this bag, and that'll be my hot water for doing dishes. Warm water. Okay. And this is maybe a little less than half full so maybe a third. And I got a little thermometer. We'll see what this water ends up being. Depends on how hot the water is. And I can use this water for washing my face, and I could take a military shower or whatever, or full shower. I might do that either today or tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's leaving day, but... Well, let me go get my thermometer and we'll see what we got. Then I have a baseline for water temps. Let's see. Oh, it's in the kitchen someplace here. Somewhere. There it is. And I can't vouch for how accurate this thermometer is, but it's the one I use. It's my everyday thermometer for cooking at home. It's saying 53 degrees right now, so that's, I don't know, I gotta stop this watch. 50, it could be pretty accurate, I'm not sure. So we're going up fast. 75. We're going past 80. Maybe if I got you over here you could actually see it, but probably not. Looks like it might peak at 80, 79. So that ain't bad. 80 degrees. You must be able to read it somewhere. I don't think it's going any farther past that. So now I know a boiling pot of water, and let's call that half. It looks like about half full. Yeah, makes 80 degree water, and the temp outside should be about the temp of this water starting. So you could, you know, try to calibrate in your head what a different temp water would take to boil, and how it would work to bring up 80 degree water. You'd have to do a physics calculation. So anyways, I think I'll have something to eat here, as long as we're at it. I think I'll cook a hamburger, but I'm going to cook it real slow because it's partially frozen. I'll leave it. I'm going to put it on 1800 watts to start, and bring the pan up to temp, and then I'm going to turn it way down. I wish I had some aluminum foil for doing stuff. I don't know if I do for sure or not. I don't think I do, but I'd like to cover that pot. But you know what? I've got a smaller one here too. This one here might work better for thawing that hamburger. It's sure a lot less work and stuff. Yeah. It'll take a long time to heat that up for relatively little. If I was going to make something else, I would do that. Here's my burger. It's pretty thawed. Turn it around. Get it in the sun maybe or something. It'll thaw. We'll see. So we're done. It's hitting 2 a few times there. It's doing good. You know, on another camp out, I don't think I was getting that kind of good wattage on my phone is what it was saying on here. So that's a good thing to know. I'm pretty sure the last time I checked that it was only putting out 1300 watts or something. I could look on the car over here too. The screen might show. What does it say? It says we're drawing 1300, 1.3. So that's, you could probably take this and average it maybe. What it's reading here. Try to get a 1300 out of that. So going by the car, yeah. Going by the car, I'm not getting the full wattage, but you never do get the full